I messaged him today. He wanted me to come fuck him. Pussy not sitting pretty. He does like me sucking him. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. Who is this man? A mystery I had to solve. A need for him to revolve. I messaged him today. He replied messaged me to come keep him company. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. I picked and pretended it's not him. I don't want to hear about your ex today. I messaged him today. Have you listened to this song? If you leave, I go pay, to the victory, down they go, don't be late. He messaged to come vibe. No lube, no condoms. In the room anymore. Sex is a consolation when you can't find love. Liked by him and others. I unfollowed him today. 2 months of silent treatment. Your head don't they shake again. Giving you head wasn't the same. No vex. Now one app they deduct my followers. I wasn't feeling fine today. All I just wanted was to hear his voice. What type of fruits do you like? Months turn into months. Where are you? I decided to move on today. He was taking my peace away, sucking all my energy for a dick that's not even mine. He's still in his prime. Today I decided to remember to do my hair. Today I decided to see my options. Today I decided to take pictures. Today I decided to walk the runway again. Today I decided not to message him again. I messaged him today.